There's something I need to tell you.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Hey guys, it's Danielle and it is official. I have changed my name both here on YouTube and on Instagram from Danielle Minnesota Vlogs to Danielle Gets It Done. One of my main personality traits is I am a type A person who is a taskmaster. And I'm not perfect at it, but I love planning and lists and big projects, and I love to cross those tasks off. So it's not as if my content will change on this channel, but rather I think this new name better suits the content that I have been putting out and will continue to do so. If you are new to my channel, the topics that I mainly focus on are planning, obviously. My son is in the diagnosis process and we think it's ADHD, anxiety, and or sensory processing disorder. So I love to talk about those topics and really connect with other women and be a source of comfort for one another because it is a lonely and challenging time. And I have a collab coming out on Wednesday on that topic and I'm very excited, so be looking out for that. Thirdly, I am really passionate about the health and wellness category, so I do videos on anything from what I'm eating, what I'm making, what I'm doing to move my body, meditation. So you can expect that from me. And then lastly, I'll put out a good old cleaning video or organization video because after all, this is a lifestyle YouTube mommy channel. I hope you like the new name. If you do, please celebrate with me by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I am a small channel who wishes to grow and I really celebrate every one of you that hits that button, so it would mean the world to me. And then I can hopefully see you in the next video. Whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Minnesota Vlogs. No, it's not. That's literally the point of this video, is that that's not my name. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done.
Ooh.